I like to say that a new Excel workbook is my blank canvas, and everything that I'm adding to it is a brush to creating a work of art. And I find that with what I've learned from Jeff and Excel University, it makes it easier to make that work of art a masterpiece. My name is Anthony Boworkis. I am based in Los Angeles, California. I have my own company, Boworkis Consulting Group, and I focus mostly on working on investigations and compliance-related matters. I feel that I know Excel fairly well, but I'm always looking to learn more. And so I actually came across Excel University through an AICPA CPE course. And I kind of look at it, whenever I take a CPE course, if I can just get one new nugget of information, I consider that to be very valuable. And I actually got, several nuggets of information. I was actually able to take that knowledge and help, win some new work for myself, for a client, to help build them a system where pretty much they're setting up a budget, tracking their costs, and from there they're able to create invoices, track how they're doing for various different line items within their budget. And then even I started attending the office hours. And the office hours I thought were great because you get people from, with vast experiences. They're using Excel in different ways. And so you get to see, how people are using Excel, in the real world for their purposes. Going through the program, I also learned about Power Query and just the tools and the features that are available there. And so I've used the information that I've learned through the program for Power Query and VBA, and started to help myself automate steps in order to bring in data, format it, analyze it, set up, high-level summaries, pretty much all of it just through the click of a few buttons. A lot of times before using Excel University, I would Google certain things in Excel, and the results, it would end up taking me all over the place. But now having access to Excel University, I start using their platform, and sometimes I've even gone back to the old coursework and my notes and the Excel files to look to see, okay, well, I did this before in the course. Let me go find it. And I would go and look at that, or look at some of the old videos. And the videos are great because it really takes you step by step. And they're also, they're fun. There's something there for everyone, from the beginning, first time user or novice user. It definitely helps provide a good framework and a methodology in how to use Excel, even to more advanced users that maybe think they know quite a bit, like myself. I thought I knew quite a bit, but even going through courses, I think I picked up a good nugget of information that made me look at Excel differently, or that I was able to add to my toolkit.